20 foods the Amish stockpile that never expire. 20 foods the Amish stockpile that never expire. Honey is one of the most important items in the Amish pantry. It never goes bad and can be used in countless recipes. The Amish value it for its natural sweetness and its long shelf life. Dried beans are another staple in the Amish diet. They are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Plus, they can be stored for years without spoiling, making them a perfect food to stockpile. Salt is crucial for preserving other foods and enhancing flavor. The Amish understand its importance and always keep a good supply on hand. It never expires and is an essential part of their stockpiling strategy. Vinegar, a staple in Amish households, is valued for its versatility and long shelf life. It's not just for cooking, they use it for cleaning, preserving, and even medicinal purposes. The Amish ensure they have enough vinegar stored to meet all these needs, making it an indispensable part of their stockpile. Whole grains are a key component of the Amish diet. They store grains like wheat, oats, and barley in large quantities. These grains provide essential nutrients and can be used in a variety of recipes. By storing whole grains, the Amish can maintain a healthy diet even in times of scarcity. Maple syrup is another important item in the Amish pantry. It's a natural sweetener that they produce themselves, often from their own maple trees. This syrup is used not only as a topping for pancakes and waffles, but also in baking and cooking. Having a steady supply of maple syrup ensures they have a sweetener that aligns with their self-sufficient lifestyle. Apple cider. The Amish are known for their delicious homemade apple cider. It's a staple in their homes, especially during the fall season. They often make it from apples grown in their own orchards, ensuring it's fresh and free from any additives. This traditional drink is not only enjoyed fresh, but is also preserved for use throughout the year. Whether it's hot or cold, apple cider is a comforting beverage that brings families together. Cornmeal is another essential item in the Amish pantry. It's incredibly versatile and can be used to make a variety of dishes, from cornbread to mush. The Amish often grind their own cornmeal, which allows them to maintain control over the quality and texture. It's a key ingredient in many traditional recipes and is valued for its long shelf life. Cornmeal is not just food, it's a connection to their agricultural roots and a testament to their self-sufficiency. Dried herbs play a crucial role in Amish cooking. They grow a wide range of herbs in their gardens, which are then harvested and dried for use throughout the year. These herbs add flavor and depth to their meals, making even the simplest dishes taste extraordinary. Commonly dried herbs include parsley, thyme, and rosemary. By drying their own herbs, the Amish ensure they have a steady supply of seasonings that are both fresh and free from chemicals. It's yet another way they maintain a close connection to the land and their culinary traditions. Lard. This humble ingredient is a staple in Amish kitchens. It's not just used for cooking but also for baking and preserving. Lard has a long shelf life, making it an essential item in their stockpile. Plus, it adds a unique flavor and texture to their traditional recipes. Next we have hardtack. This simple, long-lasting bread has been a survival food for centuries. The Amish keep it on hand because it's easy to make and can be stored for years. It's not the most exciting food, but in times of need, it's a reliable source of sustenance. And finally, molasses. This thick, sweet syrup is a versatile ingredient in Amish cuisine. It's used in baking, cooking, and even as a sweetener. Molasses is rich in nutrients and has a long shelf life, making it a valuable addition to their stockpile. It's another example of how the Amish use simple, natural ingredients to create delicious and nutritious foods. Dried corn is a staple in Amish households. It's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups to cornbread. The drying process preserves the corn for long-term storage, ensuring they have a reliable food source throughout the year. Baking soda is another essential item the Amish stockpile. It's not just for baking, it has numerous uses around the home. From cleaning to personal care, baking soda is a multi-purpose product that the Amish rely on heavily. Its long shelf life and versatility make it a valuable addition to their supplies. Ghee, or clarified butter, is a traditional food that the Amish make and store. It has a high smoke point and a long shelf life, making it ideal for cooking and baking. Ghee is rich in flavor and nutrients, providing a healthy fat source that can be used in many recipes. The Amish appreciate its durability and the depth of taste it adds to their meals. Dried fruit is a staple in the Amish pantry. They carefully dry apples, peaches, and berries to preserve their natural sweetness and nutrients. This method ensures they have a supply of fruit year-round, even when fresh produce is not available. The Amish are also known for their canned meat. They preserve chicken, beef, and pork in jars, using traditional canning techniques. This not only extends the shelf life of the meat, but also ensures they have a reliable source of protein during the winter months. Hard cheese is another essential item. The Amish make and age their own cheese, which can last for months without refrigeration. This provides them with a rich source of calcium and protein, adding variety to their diet. In conclusion, the Amish have perfected the art of food preservation. Their stockpiles of dried fruit, canned meat, and hard cheese are just a few examples of their self-sufficient lifestyle. By relying on these time-tested methods, they ensure their families are well fed, regardless of the season.